I'm... Shut up, cat Jesus.
I'm Shut Up Cat Jesus, and this is...
I'm Donna. How's it going, friends? It's us at T&B. I'm Susan.
And I'm Donna.
Nice. Today we're making Duros. These are not... If you live in the Southwest, you've probably seen these before in the Hispanic aisle.
It's the ethnic aisle. You
it's
ignorant
the
savage.
Hispanic. Wow. Okay. Wow. Triggered. Thanks, bud. Forgot what I was gonna say.
Well, it's probably about how I'm gonna microwave these, because that's the only way to fucking cook them.
No, you deep fry them, idiot.
Fuck you. What are you gonna do? Fucking put Casey Masterpiece sauce on them? Because that's my idea.
That's a terrible idea. I'm gonna make a fucking pesto.
Fucking elite hipster piece of shit. Use fucking sriracha.
Really? Hipster ketchup on Duros?
Because I'm a fucking American.
Okay.
Some people over here.
Sure, sure. My, distinctly made salsa. Recipe in the link below.
Well, I'm gonna use a fucking mystery ingredient. Let me just tell you, folks at home, you're gonna fucking love it.
Really?
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Either way, we can both agree, fuck lime and tapatio.
Fuck that shit. Perfect. Perfect in every way.
I know what that means. Cleanliness is next to God. Mexican classic. Everyone knows them. You've walked by them a million times in the supermarket. What goes well with it? Pesto. So, the core ingredient of the pesto is basil. Basil's great. tastes like basil. I love it.
First, start by separating the stems from the leaves. By twisting its stems off, the basil will emanate more of that lovely scent, which tells other basil leaves that life is meaningless and death is unavoidable.
Take salt, put it on. This will extract all the flavors. Chop roughly. Process it.
Next, take a comically large bulb of garlic and fail at crushing it with your knife. Remove the paper skin and slice with extreme prejudice. Walnuts, the nature's superfood, filled with healthy fats, deadly neurotoxins, grown locally inside the walls of your house. Add a dash of fresh ground black pepper, accept no substitutes. Slice an old stale lemon. Juice 1/2 as best as your weak baby hands can manage. Blend. The perfect pesto. Done.
So we're making like a fish sauce kind of thing for these Duros here. Get some fucking limes. Always important. Get fresh limes. Get fresh limes. No, because it grates easily. Get some lime juice. Fucking juice. Yeah, that's some nice shit too. Fuck it. Yeah, you get some fucking fish sauce. Throw it in there. That's tomato paste. It's a can, tube, whatever. You heat it up, you deuce it. Everyone knows how to stir a pot, man. Come on. Keep stirring. 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 Well, there you go. Nice simple little fish sauce. Also, made salsa.
Sriracha. Yeah.
Oh, you fuck.
Ew.
And the choose like Kentucky.
Ew.
Oh, you fuck. It's like you don't even care about pumpkin spice.
Ew.
These pieces of shit.
Yeah, they look terrible,
They look
don't they?
fucking awful.
They do look like styrofoam, gotta be honest. Tasty, tasty styrofoam.
Tasty, tasty.
Deep fried styrofoam and home kids, try it out.
Yeah. Put it in the microwave. At least a minute.
Okay, meat crab sauce. Oh, damn fine.
It stinks.
Pesto. Yep, buddy.
Pretty alright. For something shitty, it was pretty alright.
Yeah.
Mine was way better, but clearly, yeah, it's alright for shit.
Team B spicy salsa. Recipe below.
I like that a lot. That's definitely my favorite. Not that it's good. Mine are still better, but that's pretty good.
Shut up. Killed it. How do we want to end this?
Oh, in a drunken rage.